Cool. Hey everyone. Welcome to another episode of me doing open source work. Oh dear. Oh, my computer's giving me difficulty. Shit. I know. I will just hmm. Hmm. Um hmm. Oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Magic computer box. Why is it never doing what I want? That's okay. Okay. Uh, let's see if maybe that works. Okay, cool. It looks like I just had too many tabs open in Chrome, which, yeah. Okay, cool. So with that being said, yeah. So, where we left off yesterday was something with like pod disruption budgets. And I was also looking at like some other things too. And what I was looking at trying to do was figure out a way that Spark could tell essentially the scheduler that there are some pods that we would be less sad about losing. Um, and I was digging around on Stack Overflow as well, and I found a thing which I now, there we go. And so this looks like possibly some magic as well. And this is this thing called a pod deletion cost. Um, so here's what I'm gonna do. So I was working on this Jira, and that this was like label pods which are being decommissioned. Uh, some to allow for folks using pod disruption budgets or replica sets. PDBs, you would have a PD. With PDBs, the user would create a PDB representing the label of decommissioning executors. And this could have a higher number of unavailable than the PDB for the regular execs. For people using replica sets in 121, we could also set a label of a hint to the controller that a pod is less important. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my clipboard because I was working on this yesterday, and Jira is lovely software, but it sometimes signs me out. Yeah. So that makes sense. It signed me out. Oh hey. Okay, cool. Cleaning this week or next week? Oh my god, yes. My hand is meow. So like, yeah. Is that okay? Okay. Assign labels to less important pods, e.g. decommissioning pods. Kubernetes, support auto. assigning. Okay, and then we'll go ahead. 3, 2, 0. Yep. Oh, oh, so exciting. So exciting. So that's good. The other thing that I wanted to do though was follow up on our PRs from yesterday and see if there's any progress on them. Okay, no review yet on this one. Oh yeah. Yeah. So I think it should be ready for review. Works for me locally. Works for me locally, and it looks like it works in CI. Cool. Doot, doot. Yeah, that looks like progress. I think okay. So I'm glad we circled back on this one. Because yeah. Um so I think that's fixed. Okay. This one, it looks like it's having some difficulties with the end-to-end test. And I don't know if that's the PR's fault per se, or if it's the CI system. It looks like... let's go ahead and we're going to take a look at this. Hmm. I'm going to go up and find the first error in this one. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. So, yeah. So here's what I'll do. It looks like E2E failures. I can dig into those in more detail, but if this is sort of a known issue with GHA end-to-end tests being flaky, I'll leave that to y'all to restart the tests as needed. Thanks. Okay, so sounds good. I leave comments. Sounds good. That sounds good. Okay, so it sounds like the CI is probably just broken, or not broken, like flaky, and that's just end-to-end tests. That's kind of it's unfortunate, but that's the reality. Often is that they're a little flaky, especially when we're trying to spin up like containers inside of like GitHub Actions or stuff like that, because then it's like containers all the way down. So I'm excited that we followed up on this one, so that hopefully this person will have the time to review it. This one, I am going to ping the person. On Slack, just because I know him. Okay, cool. That was a thing worth learning. Let's see if there's any responses on this one. Any new commits? No, not yet. Okay, that's fine. I've got a meeting with them next week where we'll dig into it. This was interesting. I think, yeah. I ran into this as well. Talks picks up my default system Python if it can't find the right Python. This is confusing. I would prefer an error from talks saying it can't make a VM with the right Python instead of making a VM with my system's Python 2.7. That's just hella confusing. Yeah. Whatever. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, so I guess this is what we're gonna do. Yeah, let's work on supporting auto assigning labels to less important pods. Fuck yeah, right? Okay. Interesting. I guess let's go ahead. So, git branch. Okay, git checkout master. Git pull Apache GitHub master. Support auto assigning labels to decommissioning pods. Cool. And so we're going to start build maven-p Kubernetes-p Kubernetes. Integration tests, -d skip tests, clean compile package. Let me go get that. Thank you. Okay, and that's just because doing a clean build takes a metric forever, as opposed to an imperial forever. So we'll do that now, and that'll be fun. Or more specifically, like, well, I want to do a clean build because it's been a while. Then we can do some incremental builds afterwards, and that'll be less painful. So on that note, we're gonna go resource managers, Kubernetes. This is actually gonna be really painful to do. Damn it, why did I come up with this idea? Is it gonna be in is there a decommission? No. Another thing that I'm going to do before I forget, and that is over here in Iceberg. Does Iceberg use GitHub issues? I think it does, yeah. Support fan out reads in PyIceberg. Fanning out the reads of the manifest files and maybe other files too. Cool. Something weird is going on with my network. I should figure that out. Oh, it's probably Tailscale or something like that. Am I running Tailscale? No, I'm not. Okay. Well, I don't know what it is. I'll figure that out another time. So that's just like a so I don't forget thing. Okay. There we go. A decommission? I don't even remember. I think it might be in the that's the scheduler master executor allocation client. Oh, why is that final? Okay, standalone scheduler backend. Coarse grained scheduler backend. Okay, cool. Coarse grained scheduler backend. .scala. Override def decommission. Okay. So here's what we'll do. override def decommission executors. And so super dot decommission. Yeah. Except I don't need the types. So then the thing that I would do here is if, god damn it, if not triggered by executor. So if decommissioning is triggered by the executor, cluster manager has already picked the node to die, picked the pod to evict. Pick the pod to evict. So we don't need to update the label. So then what I'm going to do here, so we're going to need to, it's like config.scala, okay. Uh, 3.2. Okay, so Kubernetes executor pod decommission label. Yeah, so, label and value to apply to a pod, which is being decommissioned. C design for use with pod disruption budgets and similar mechanisms. Such as pod deletion. And we're going to go with create optional. Create optional. I could always use more coffee. Mm. Okay. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna grab more coffee. Okay, I am back with more coffee, but I've finished the last of the pot apparently, which is very sad. Because I would like more coffee, so I also made another pot of coffee. Oh, so yeah. Uh, and so while I was doing that, I was thinking, you know what I don't want to do is parse strings. Um, uh, because just like I there are so many places inside of Spark where we try and like be smart, and let's just not fucking worth it. Um, so yeah, there we go. Um, I don't actually remember. Okay, yeah. Conf.get def. Yeah, okay. Um, conf is what type is conf? I think that's going to be spark config. Spark conf.scala def get. Want to get option? Yeah, there we go. Get option. Okay. Label value. Okay. So what we do here well then make this async. Yeah. Anyways, whatever. That's just a to-do for myself so that I remember before I make the PR, because I don't think it needs to be synchronous. Um, my laziness. But this is part of why I stream, so I actually do work. Okay. Or more accurately, so like I do what I set out to do rather than accomplishing 7 other things instead. Okay, because I really want to do this. So what we're gonna do. Do I want to do for each? Yeah. Okay. Fine. Scheduler backend. Kubernetes client. There we go. Mm-hmm. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. Dot pods. Hmm. 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 Okay, yeah. Yeah, party. Okay, this is actually pretty close to what I want. Except instead of kill task, we're gonna call this label task. Override def run type unit. Yeah. I'm loving it. Here we go, though. We're only going to bother kicking off the task if yeah, okay. If we do have a label. only kick off the labeling task if we have a label. Okay, and so then what we're gonna do with val pods to label, and then okay. Exec IDs. This is looking choice. Yeah. Oh, I'm so hungry. It's okay. That's okay. Oh yeah. Get rid of this to do comment now that we're making it async anyways, I think. So that looks solid. Okay. So here we go. With except that I want to move this into a function. Yeah. Def. Label low priority exec IDs as type array, type sequence string. There we go. Okay, progress, or sort of. Cool. So then label low priority execs. We're gonna just do this because I want to do it also for executors, which we're just deleting. We've decided to remove some executors. We should tell Kubernetes that we don't care about those execs. Care about them. We don't care. And then in this case, executor IDs. Yeehaw. Okay, cool. Give the executor, tell the executor to exit themselves. Okay. Party. Hey Zubiar, it's been a while. I'm doing okay. My hand hurts, which isn't great, but it's It's not so bad. How about you? Okay. Well, this is good. This is good. Oh, I'm hungry. I'm gonna make lunch soon. I want to get this, like, at least a draft of this written. Um, like, because I want to get the context out of my head into the computer. Okay. Oh, thank you. The blue hair's been a little annoying, because the color doesn't stay as well, as my normal pink, but wanted to try something different. Um, Thanks. So things which are of the status, I think, yeah, we can limit it to things that are running as well. That seems reasonable, because if it has a different status, presumably the... Actually, we could decide, like, if it was launching, and then we would actually just want to tell Kubernetes. Anyways, so yeah, I think we're not gonna add that selector just yet. So, then we've got our pods to label. So pods to label. What can I do with my pods? Okay. Hmm. Ooh. What's the latest one? 541. Wait, why is this not going to 5? Oh. Oh. Interesting. Hmm. Okay. Fabric 8, add label to pod. There's probably... Um, mm, hmm. Okay, fabric 8, add label to running pod. Okay. Hmm. Okay. I hate computers. This is one of the times when I wish I was in an IDE because this would probably be easier. Do I have the fabricate stuff checked out? No. Okay, fabric 8. Okay, fabric 8 Java API. Yeah, I just don't know where I need to pass it. So well, do a thing here. Add my label. We're just gonna call this fake function, because at the very least, you know, we can run it. Okay, cool. So some things that we need to do: course grain scheduler backend, executor decommission, info. Okay. Executor decommission info.scala org Apache Spark scheduler. Executor decommission info. But it's okay. We'll figure it out together. It's good. It's all good. Okay. I don't remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, I checked that out. Oh yeah, okay. So aggregate Kubernetes client. Pretty close. Okay. So though default Kubernetes client. Oh. This is. Oh, here we go. Pod add label.java. Fuck yeah. This looks good. Yay! Example code that does something pretty close to what I want to do. Do. Oh, this is a good day. Very good day when I find code that does pretty much what I want it to do. Oh, no. No, oh, damn it. So pods to label dot edit um, edit metadata dot to labels going to be label okay. And I believe here, if we go back to Spark Conf, there's a get or. Yeah, and that's just the default. And then we go end metadata build. I am stoked. And then we're going to go ahead, executor service. Oh no. Huh. Okay, let's take a look at scheduled executor service from Java util concurrent. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and call submit on it. Submit label task. Fuck yeah. Ew. That's funky. I haven't seen that. This looks like it's having a bad day. This looks like it's having a bad day. Stack Overflow error inside of the compiler for Catalyst? What? Okay, let's run it again and see what happens. That's weird. Because we haven't even changed any of the code inside Catalyst. Oh no. Oh no. Um. Okay, cool. This looks like progress. Um, huh. Um, let's let's see how this goes. I'm optimistic. Um, yeah. It would be nice if this just worked because then like I just worked. I mean like compiled. Like obvious. I we have no test cases, so that means that the code almost certainly doesn't work. But I do want to get it compiling so I can do like an initial commit of the implementation that is at least like syntactically correct, and then I can come back and add some more test cases to it later. Um, we'll see. We'll see. Do, 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 do. Optimism. Optimism is, of course, misplaced, but optimism nonetheless. Yeah, I guess the other thing I could do, just like while we're hanging out here, um, which I've been meaning to do, I haven't done yet. Yeah, let's do that. While we're doing this compilation, I was gonna maybe update my blog. Um, oh, okay. Um, so git stash, git pull. Um, oh, cool. We'll keep an eye on the build. Um, yeah, it's lunchtime, so that's a good time to update my blog post conceivably. Um, yeah. Uh, uh-huh. So hungry. I like food. Want more food. So lazy. So hungry. I should go make lunch, but I really want this to finish first. Um, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, okay. Um, do. Okay. Okay. Well, it's compiling, and it hasn't given me a stack trace exception yet. So that feels like a good sign. That feels like a good sign. Um, it could be wrong. Could be wrong. Let's take a look, though, if it built my blog. Yeah, okay, cool. So then what I want to do while we're waiting is I want to double check if the draft post got published okay. Or not published, if the draft post like looks semi-reasonable. Um Wait, why didn't it build the draft? Hmm. Uh oh, okay. Well, underscore drafts. Let's see what happens. There we go. Um, hmm. How's the compilation going? Yeah, it's looking okay. Looking okay. Um, um, hmm. Okay, come on, just why is this taking so long? Did I do a clean compile by mistake? That's possible. Or not by mistake. Why is everything so slow? What's going on my computer? Oh, okay. It looks like mostly I'm running the Scala compiler and Google Chrome. Google Chrome is using 41 gigs of memory? What the fuck? What? I, hmm. Okay. Yeah, probably time to restart Google Chrome sometime this month. I would say yes. Um, Do, 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 do. Okay. How's it coming along? Uh, hmm. 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 It's still chugging away on the SQL stuff, which that seems fine, but I'm suspicious? Suspicious. Suspicious. Very suspicious. Very suspicious. But okay. Also, like, why is this taking so, like, I don't... Oh. Oops. Whatever. Eh, uh, do 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 do. Dash dash incremental. Okay, cool. Hopefully incremental builds mean that this will be less painful. Oh, and my computer no longer sounds like it's about to take off for space. And the error is in the Kubernetes component. Okay, this makes sense. Value edit is not a member. Okay. Progress. Progress, progress, progress. Let's... Right? Oh. Okay. Let's... Okay. Optional config entry. Wait, what? Is this... Hmm. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. I think I see what I did there. Create with default. There we go. Okay. Okay, that makes a bit more sense. Why the types are mismatched. Yeah, Chrome is eating so much, so much. Okay, so what is the next thing that I need to fix? So not found pod builder, and it says edit is not a member of filter watch list deletable. So we are going to go back to looking at things. Not this. Okay. Um, Edit is only available on a specific pod then. That would make sense, I think. But we're also definitely going to have to import this. Okay. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Maybe? Maybe. Right? Maybe. Let's find out. Let's hope it doesn't take 30 minutes to build again and it can cache the previous steps, but it's oh, cool. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Looks like I've got a typo in my blog post. So that's good. We fix it now. Oh, there shouldn't be. Oh, thank you. Wait, where? Oh, shouldn't there be a dot before pods? Here? I don't. I guess. Where? Uh. Um. Oh, pods to label. Oh yeah. So no, so pods to label is here. Actually, maybe this would be clearer. This is not supposed to be a continuation. Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, hopefully that's clearer. I think. Um Fingers crossed on this one. What are we compiling? Streaming. Okay. It says it's using incremental compilation, but it is still taking a lot of time to do anything. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Okay, cool. So now, while this is still running, we can go and check on that blog post. Oh no, that's the ASCII doc. Oh yeah, it builds into underscore site. Where does it build? I don't actually know where it builds. Where do I build this thing? Oh, do I build it into docs? Okay, I do build it here. Cool. Yeah, I dig it. This looks solid. So we'll just do a git push. Oh, okay, git status. Git diff. Okay. Publish the for user settings and fix the include tag. Use incremental builds. Computer is slow. Run this and Scala C at the same time. Okay, git diff. Okay, git commit -am. Publish the new post. Okay. Go back here. Yeah, we can see it's still running. I have the audio feedback of the sound of the computer, just like the fans running at max. That's how I tell. Yeah, these security warnings, they don't really matter because I'm not using this online, right? It's just statically generated, so cool. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah. Add the new posts. Other thing that we're gonna do is fix the title because Hmm. Okay, cool. Solid. Updates the blog post again, and then come back here. Compiling mllib. This is part of why I normally use SBT. It does a better job of incremental compilation, even with the Zinc. The SBT one is not nearly as bad, but I use Maven normally when I'm working on the Kubernetes integration stuff because I can only run the integration tests with Maven, but it's not like I'm actually going to run the integration tests today, so I probably should have just been using SBT. But whatever, that's all fine and good. Hmm. Okay, is it just whatever. Do um, um, did a little detour post on my Jupyter config with bird user secrets and service accounts. Cool. There we go. There we go. Okay. How is it going? Okay, we're getting to SQL. Hopefully we'll get to the Kubernetes part soon, and then we can do a git commit. Ugh! I can go make lunch. I would like lunch. I think I've got some bagels and cream cheese that I'm looking forward to. Yeah. Okay, cool. Kubernetes one failed, and that's specifically line 192. Okay. Oh, yeah. That's no longer a thing. I should have noticed that. I'm going to switch to SBT, even though yeah, but that's fine. What else is going on? Value for each is not a member. Okay, so 199. Hmm. So I want to go take a look at what the members are on pod list. Edit? Not editable. Okay, so I think let's just go to our backend dot list. And then Kubernetes compile. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I have to run a clean compile, which is going to take forever, even in SBT. clean, compile. That's all right. How's the corona thing here? It's I don't know. There's sort of conflicting information. The vaccination rate is pretty high, which is good. But some public health people are saying that the Delta variant can break through, and other people are saying it can't. And I don't know who to listen to. Um, I don't. I don't know. What about where you are? Is your family okay? Oh, weird. Oh, wait, how did I launch SBT? I launched... Oh, weird. Huh. Wait. Git status. No? Huh. This is confusing. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Looks like it's actually doing the build now more like how I would expect it. Oh, that sounds a little scary. Um, I go outside. Um, I, I stopped wearing a mask for a while after I got vaccinated. Um, but I might start again. I don't know. Um, yeah, it's so confusing. I don't know. Okay, cool. Have a good night. Thanks for joining and I take care. I hope you and your loved ones are safe. It compiled! It compiled. So you're leaving right as I finish. Your timing is amazing. Okay. Although it's suspicious that it compiled. Ah, compiled because I didn't have the Kubernetes profile enabled. Okay. This makes more sense. Um, hmm. Uh, enable Maven profile. Um, SBT. Hmm. Okay. Um, how do I enable a profile? So it says enable a move and profile on the build with -P. Does it do anything magical? Oh, is it minus lowercase p? Or is it minus uppercase p? No, it is minus uppercase p. Huh. What does... Okay. Ah, okay. That's fine. Cool. Now it should work. Kubernetes compile. Party. Okay. Line 209. Okay. Make that private. Okay. Cool. This tag annotation shit only comes up when I enable... It's not sucking. I don't know. Okay. Whatever. Build Maven. Yeah, we'll just do a fresh build because, you know, why not? Why not? Hmm. 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 Okay, let's hope this one works. Ah. Hmm. 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 Okay. It's some progress. Some progress. I'm optimistic that this one is gonna work because as I've mentioned, I want to get lunch. And in fact, actually, even you know what? Actually, yeah. Fuck it. We are just gonna write a commit and it's gonna be a work in progress commit, and I am going to go and get lunch because I deserve lunch. um oh yeah, I'm gonna take that change out of build SBT though. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, git commit dash am. Start the work to add pods, to add labels to pods that are either about to exit or decommissioning, so that if we are in a resource crunch, Kubernetes picks these pods for preemption. So that's solid. And now, um, yeah, that's good. That's good. So yeah, um, that's as much as I was gonna get done this morning, I suppose. I might come back online this afternoon. Sort of depends how my day goes. I think I've got some meetings and stuff that I need to go to. So this might be it for the code for the day. Um, but I'm excited. It looks like it's more doable than I thought. I just have to like figure out the Fabric 8 APIs a little bit better. Yeah, and so thanks for joining. I'll be doing some sketchy projects this weekend, of course, because that's what I do. And I hope everyone's as safe as possible.